Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for coming. I'm thrilled to be speaking with you today to give you a glimpse into my experience at Yeshivat Orchaim. Thank you to Rabbi Grauer, Mr. Lazar, and all the administration. My name is Nathan Greenbaum. I'm currently a grade 12 student and the vice president of the Student Council. I was born here in Toronto, but spent most of my life in the US. I began high school in Memphis, Tennessee, where we've been living at the time. And at the end of my 10th grade year, my family decided that they were going to move back to Toronto. At the time, I wasn't too thrilled to hear that. Moving meant leaving behind close friends, teachers I had grown attached to, and the familiar routines that had become part of my daily life in Memphis. The thought of starting over in a new place, even if it was in Toronto, felt daunting and uncertain. Adjusting to a new school environment isn't always easy. In a new country isn't always easy. But I can honestly say that my transition was as smooth as I could have hoped for. From the very beginning, the warmth and welcoming spirit of Orchaim made me feel right at home. When you walk through the hallways, you're not just another face in the crowd. You're part of a tight-knit family that values each person's presence. What we have here is a brotherhood. It's a rare and powerful thing to be a part of, and I know that these connections I have will last a lifetime. First time I set foot in Orchaim wasn't on the first day of school, but during the summer before my 11th grade year, long before classes started. My family had arranged for me to tour the school, and I remember walking through the quiet hallways with a feeling of excitement mixed with a little nervousness. Walking through the building felt a bit intimidating, but soon, as I noticed small touches that made it feel welcoming, pictures of great Torah giants on the walls, trophies from past tournaments, and a base midrash stocked with Judaic texts and novels. When my interview rolled around, I was a bit anxious, but the administration put me right at ease. I felt welcomed and excited, and I couldn't wait to start my junior year. Socially, Orchaim has been an amazing experience for me. Coming in as a newcomer, I was nervous at first, but the student body is incredibly inclusive and friendly. I arrived knowing only a handful of names and faces, yet by the end of the first week, I had a whole group of friends. The teachers and students went out of their way to make me feel like I belonged, whether it was by checking in with me during lunch or helping me find my way around. And speaking of teachers, I have to say, the teaching staff here is truly exceptional. I'd heard from other students that Orchaim's teachers were passionate, but experiencing it firsthand was beyond my expectations. Every teacher I've had is not only knowledgeable, but they genuinely are invested in my success, both academically and personally. They're available for extra help, they'll answer emails after hours, and they often go the extra mile to ensure we grasp the material. It's rare to find teachers who are so dedicated, and it makes a world of a difference. Academically, Orchaim has pushed me in ways I haven't expected. The school offers a wide variety of courses, making it easy for students to find classes that fit their interests and goals. Personally, I filled my schedule with a mix of courses, including calculus, advanced functions, accounting, international business, and of course, Judaics. However, my friends have explored a wide array of other subjects, including law, sciences, and computer sciences. This year, we have courses in philosophy, the modern Middle East, and religious Zionism to provide further essentials in our basic knowledge and to develop crucial critical thinking skills. Ultimately, the Judaic Studies curriculum mixes text-based learning with Jewish thought, and alongside a robust general studies curriculum, Orchaim students graduate well-rounded young men who are ready to be religious Jews in the modern world. Orchaim has plenty to offer beyond the classroom too. We have an incredible array of extracurricular activities. For students who love debate and international relations, Model UN is the perfect opportunity to showcase their skills. Mock Trial is another intense program that gives students a taste of the legal field. If neither of those interest you, then not to worry, because every year, Orchaim holds a fair that showcases all of our clubs, teams, and programs that we have to offer. From sports teams to committees to volunteering opportunities, there's something for everyone. All these extracurriculars are thoughtfully organized and give students opportunities to grow in ways that go beyond the typical school experience. Whether a student's passion is athletic, intellectual, or social, Orchaim's extracurriculars make it easy to find a sense of purpose and connection. Beyond just our student-led extracurriculars, our Rebbeim also organize a variety of different clubs during breakfast, adding more opportunities for those who want to further their Yiddishkeit. Some examples include Halacha Seder, Learning to Lead Davening, Mesilat Yesharim Club, Pirkei Avot Club, and Kibbutz Arim Club. There are many more. These clubs bring so much meaning to our mornings, and they set us on the right foot to begin our day. Another remarkable aspect about Orchaim is its commitment to empowering students to make an impact. The teachers don't just encourage natural leaders, but they actively seek out those who may be less inclined to take on a leadership role. No student should feel at a disadvantage. Quieter students who would want a less public leadership position can use their skills to coordinate clubs or organize events. Whether you were the one jumping at the table leading a tish, or in the back of the lunchroom planning out the next Shabbaton, everyone has the opportunity to make an impact. Athletics are a huge part of life at Orchaim, and the YOC Knights bring a lot of pride to our school. Our basketball team, the YOC Knights, competes in a local league where they bring out an incredible team spirit and leave everything on the court. Alongside basketball, we've got soccer, volleyball, and cross country. Even for those who aren't on the teams, the ruach around the games is amazing. Students love bringing the Knights' energy and coming out to cheer us on. While our excellent general studies have greatly impacted my education, it's the Judaics courses at Orchaim that truly shaped me. The variety and depth of our courses, taught by our incredible Rebbeim, have given me a much stronger foundation in Torah learning and have taken my Emunah and connection to a whole new level. Whether we're studying Gemara, Chumash, or Musar, every lesson is an opportunity to grow. Thanks to this environment, I've also taken on new responsibilities in our school minyan, recently stepping up as one of the Gavadim. It's a role I feel honored to fill, helping keep our davening organized and making sure our minyan is meaningful for everyone. Those first few months after moving from Memphis were challenging, but thanks to the support of friends and family of the Orchaim community, I was able to settle in and start to truly enjoy everything the school had to offer. Looking back now, I know that choosing Orchaim was one of the best choices I could have made. It's a place that has helped me grow academically, socially, and spiritually. To those of you who are considering joining Orchaim, you have an incredible opportunity ahead. Your journey will obviously be different from mine, but I'm confident you'll experience the same warm welcome and support that I did. Orchaim is more than just a school. It's a family, a community, and a place that will help you reach your full potential. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your visit.